1959 Germany. BMW is about to die. Not struggling, not losing, gone. Mercedes-Benz is ready to buy them and turn BMW into just a factory. No more BMW cars, no more BMW badge. And then, one man says, no. Herbert Quandt. He can barely see. Everyone tells him he's crazy, but he risks everything he owns and saves BMW. But here's the twist. He didn't just save BMW. He accidentally started a war that gave you safer cars, faster cars, better engines, and the way cars feel today. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how BMW and Mercedes tried to beat each other and ended up changing the whole world. Most people think BMW versus Mercedes equals normal competition. Reality? No. This was personal. Mercedes was the king, big cars, luxury, respect. BMW, they were making tiny cars that looked like bubbles. Imagine this. One kid has a luxury mansion. The other kid has a bicycle. That was BMW versus Mercedes. So how did the bicycle company become one of the greatest car brands ever? BMW knew one thing. They can't beat Mercedes at luxury. So they asked a different question. What if driving feels fun? At that time, no one cared about that. Cars were just for comfort. So BMW made cars lighter, better balanced, sharper to drive, 50-50 weight distribution. Simple meaning, when you turn the wheel, the car actually listens. And suddenly, people noticed. BMW cars felt alive, not just machines. And that scared Mercedes. Mercedes saw BMW growing, so they changed. They started making cars faster, sportier, more aggressive. And BMW did something genius. They switched. BMW added more luxury, bigger cars, more comfort. Both companies started copying each other. Now, both were fighting for the same people. But while this was happening, something crazy was going on behind the scenes. This sounds fake, but it actually happened. Mercedes wanted BMW's secret, not design, not engine, their quality system, how BMW made cars with fewer problems. So they sent a man to secretly learn it. He didn't hack anything, he didn't steal files, he stole trash. BMW engineers threw papers in dustbins. The spy collected them and rebuilt secrets from garbage. But BMW found out, so they set a trap. Fake documents, and when those documents reached Mercedes, they caught him. But this was still not the craziest part. Both companies built something futuristic, brake-by-wire. Normally, your foot presses the brake, the car stops. But here, your foot sends a signal. A computer decides, then the car stops. It was faster, smarter, more advanced. And then they stopped using it. Why? Because people were scared. If a computer controls brakes, what if someone hacks it? So they quietly removed it. No noise, no headlines, just gone. But while technology was evolving, the real fight moved somewhere else, the 1980s. Both brands wanted one thing, to win. Rule, to race a car. You must sell it to people. Mercedes built the 190E fast, strong, then they did something wild. They invited Formula One drivers to race it. One young driver wins, Ayrton Senna. BMW saw this and got angry. So they built the M3, lightweight body, high revving engine, built for racing, and it worked. BMW started winning. Mercedes fought back. This wasn't just racing anymore. This was war, and this war created legends. While both companies were fighting, one man was thinking about something else, safety. His idea was simple. What happens when cars crash? He created crumple zones, a strong passenger cabin, a safer structure. Simple meaning, the car takes the hit, so you don't. Every modern car uses this today. If you survive a crash, it's because of this idea. He worked for Mercedes, and when BMW saw it, they had to follow. Result? Safer cars for everyone. Now listen carefully. The same family owned shares in both companies. Yes, both sides. It's like owning two rival teams and watching them fight. So, what was this war really about? Not just cars, not just speed. Two ideas, BMW. Driving should feel exciting, Mercedes. Cars should feel perfect. And because they fought, we got better safety, better performance, better technology. Every time you drive, every time your car saves you, every time you enjoy the road, you're experiencing the result of a silent war. And the scary part, this war is still going on, just quieter.